Hello everyone, welcome to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric foam sprayer, so stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Electric booster one-button spraying. The Senra electric foam sprayer is designed to save you both time and effort with its one-button electric spraying mechanism. No more manually pumping or pressing repeatedly, just a simple push and you're good to go. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience during their car wash routine. Long-lasting battery life. Thanks to its efficient electric booster, this foam sprayer offers long-lasting battery life, allowing you to clean without worrying about frequent recharges. It's a convenient feature that ensures your car wash sessions go smoothly without interruptions. Super large 75 deg spraying angle. The Senra foam sprayer boasts a 75 deg super large sector that provides a wider spraying range. This allows for quicker and more efficient car washing, as the foam covers a larger surface area with less effort. Upgraded side filling design. One of the standout features of this foam sprayer is its upgraded side filling design. This design eliminates the need to open the lid every time you need to add more liquid. Instead, you can easily inject liquid and water through the side, making refills quicker and more convenient. Transparent waterline scale. With a 2L large capacity pot, the Senra electric foam sprayer is equipped with a transparent waterline scale, allowing you to monitor the water-to-foam ratio. This feature ensures that you get the perfect mix every time, leading to a more efficient car wash. Durable and strong construction. The sprayer is built with thickened PE material that offers excellent durability. This high-toughness material ensures that the foam sprayer is not only long-lasting but also resistant to compression and explosion. The maximum bearing pressure of 8 bar ensures safe operation even under high pressure. Pros. Efficient and time-saving. The electric operation of the Senra foam sprayer eliminates the need for manual pumping, saving you significant time and energy. The wide spray range and persistent foam emission also reduce the overall effort required for car washing. Convenient refilling. Thanks to the side filling design, refilling the foam sprayer is a breeze. No more fumbling with lids, just pour in the liquid and water from the side for a quick and easy refill. Long battery life. The Senra electric foam sprayer features an efficient battery system that provides long-lasting power, allowing you to wash multiple vehicles or complete your car wash without worrying about the battery running out. Durable and safe. The use of high-toughness PE material ensures that the foam sprayer is durable and can withstand the demands of regular use. Its explosion-proof design and maximum pressure rating make it a safe tool for any car wash. Rich foam production. The foam produced by the Senra electric foam sprayer is dense and well emulsified, ensuring a thick, rich lather that helps break down dirt and grime more effectively. The sagging effect of the foam makes it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas. Cons. Large size. While the 2L capacity is great for extended use, it may be a bit bulky for those who prefer more compact tools. The larger size may not be ideal for users with limited storage space. Potential overspray. The wide spray angle is beneficial for covering large areas, but it can sometimes lead to overspray, especially if you're trying to target specific spots on your vehicle. It may take a bit of practice to control the spraying angle. The Senra electric foam sprayer is a highly efficient, durable, and innovative tool that makes car washing easier and faster. With its one-button electric spraying, long battery life, and upgraded features like the side filling design and transparent waterline scale, it's a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car wash routine. While it may be a bit large for some users and may take some getting used to with its spray angle, the overall benefits far outweigh the cons. If you're ready to take your car washing experience to the next level, the Senra electric foam sprayer is definitely worth considering. And don't forget to check out the price link in the description and subscribe to Best Product for more detailed reviews and updates. Happy cleaning!